no, I don't have another set because...
3, 2, 1, go. 1.
The flying tunnel!
11.
That was tough because he was laughing through the whole thing.
Oh, the old man got his top off the young camp.
3, 2, 1. Oh, well, I shot that. Sorry. Ready?
From a
3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2.
You change your name.
8.
Looks like you're a bit slow now. Oh my god.
10. 11.
So slow.
12.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, 12.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go on, son.
10, 11, 12.
That was pretty quick, mate, to be fair.
Three, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Oh dear.
2, 3, 4, 5.
That first one, I crunched my arm. Like something flipped over something else in my arm.
The next row, super roll. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm already tired.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh! He's... Oh god! Oh my god!
Go on!
Ladies and gentlemen, your Olympic champion, Khalid. Is it not Khalid?
No, there's an ongoing debate about that, and he hasn't said what it is yet.
I thought it was Khalid.
Yeah, see, I did. And I think.
Oh, you machine!
Oh,
Yeah.
he cheated, didn't he?
As you watch this one, it's a week before our competition at Nationals. 1 week. How are we feeling for Nationals? Almost there?
Probably very confident, actually.
Very confident? Go on, look at that. Yeah, I'm almost there as well. We're getting there. Today we're going to do like a 3 metre list, similar to what we did in 1 metre the other day when I posted it. We're going to do a 3 minute list and have another mini competition between me and Tony. So, who wins this time?
Definitely.
Let's go.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track, no. Too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the the game has been packaging.
Okay, before we get into the competition today, I just want to give a quick overview of how the scoring works. I'll be going back to this in a bit more detail in my Guide to Olympic Diving series when I eventually get onto scoring and judging and everything. Basically how it works, we've got 3 judges, so we take the 3 scores and add them together. From that, we times that raw score by the degree of difficulty of the dive, and from that, you get the total point score for that one dive. And then we add all our scores together and that gives us our total score at the end of the competition after 6 dives. So for example, if you get a 7, a 7.5 and a 7.5, that equals 22 as the raw score, then you times 22 by the degree of difficulty. Say for example it's a forward 3.5 pipe, which is a 3.1, times 22 by 3.1, and that gives you 68.2 points for that dive. Hope that makes sense. Competition time. We're having a 1 minute, 3 minute competition. Who do you reckon is going to win?
It's gonna be a mad thing. It's gonna be a close call, you know. Anthony's, you know, guns, you know.
What does that even mean?
Who won the last videos? You won it.
I won 1 minute, yeah. So what was your verdict?
I'm going to say Anthony, just because you won 3 times.
Don't worry about it.
I know
It's
Jamaican
fine.
people want
Hey,
you,
no,
like,
it's
you know,
fine.
your viewers
Hey,
want you.
it's fine. I know it's me and Anthony having a competition today. Who do you reckon will win?
I'm Tony for sure.
Okay, great. Loads of faith. Okay, I'm just gonna prove the people wrong like I've always done my whole life. Great. Alright, so our 3 metre competition is done. Tony didn't quite have the competition that he hoped for, but you can see the potential. He didn't quite hit his dives, but I've seen him hit all those dives really, really well in the past. He just needs to learn how to do the competition. And Tony, mate, how old are you? 17? Yeah, mate, when I was 17, what was I doing at 17? I think I went to Junior Worlds when I was 17 and finished like 28 on 3 metre and 18th on 1 metre. Year after that, when I was 18, I went to the World Championships, finished like 31st or 34th or something like that. He's already won a Junior European medal. Like, he's above the level that I was back then. I didn't learn how to compete my dives until I was like 21. Literally, 2016 was the year I learned how to compete my dives at the World Cup. I had that competition was the best competition of my life. That was when I learned how to do my dives. So it's still got 4 years. Lewis and Matty doubted me earlier, but I managed to prove them wrong and have a good competition and take Tony's scalp this time. But I say no doubt he'll be there in the future for sure. Good job, man.
Nice.
Great.